Here's a 2018 Kia Optima. This Optima has get up and go, and it challenges mid-size sedan conventions with its bold looks and a dashboard of technology. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, rear parking sensors, smartphone wireless charging, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Cars.com finds with its crease sheet metal and low slung shape, there's luxury car sophistication to the Optima's exterior that you don't see in a lot of family sedans. Kia, commanding attention. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.